We are back with Glenn Velvet Reviews today, and I got the Fiji Cube kit, or whatever you can call it, for the 29 breeder. I mean the 29 breeder, the 29 gallon. There is no 29 breeder. I got it for the 29 gallon, and I don't have a 29 gallon. If you saw, I have a 20 gallon that I'm drilling right now, pretty much. So I'm going to use this to turn that into a sump, and then also I don't know what I'm going to do, but you guys are going to see me do this and see what's going to go on. I don't know exactly I'm going to use it, but I bought it. I'm going to use it. I'm going to review it, and you're going to see what's up. So let's unbox this first, see what they give us inside this box, because I never bought one of these before. This is my first time. So over here we have what we got the foam. Oh, so here, these are the filters. That's the reason why I did want to get this one. I know this one, this is like the only good one on the market. There is no competition, honestly. I looked on Amazon, I looked on eBay, I looked around. There's nothing that is like this that's competitive. All the other ones are like really pieces of junk. If it would have had the same design and just been cheaper made, I would have been okay, but none of them had even compared to the same design, so it was like great. So anyway, it comes with these, which was really cool. Whatever you call it, the Aqueon tank company, you know, they're making thousands, hundreds of thousands of these tanks, so, you know, they're getting the glass at like, you know, like for a penny. So, you know, they're selling the tanks, like I said, it's not, they don't have the $1 per gallon sale, that's long gone, you know, because of COVID, but they do have the sale, and it's still like half price or whatever. And when I go to PetSmart, they never have that sale, really. Not like I just never seen them in my life have that sale. Every time I check, the tanks are like regular price there, or they're like, you know, a couple of dollars off. They're never half price, or I never seen the $1 per gallon. So just saying, this is like the most budget friendly for everybody that's looking to go that kind of way, and, you know, doesn't have a lot to spend on a great system, you know, at first, and just want to get it going. So on the top we have they have the filter stocks here, very fine filter fabric. I mean, I don't know, it doesn't feel really cheap, which is kind of cool. I don't know the quality of this yet. I don't know much about these to know what's going on. That's kind of what they posted, 4" by 14", I guess, because they, you know, it goes by kit. So they give you 2 of these, which is kind of cool. Here's, I guess, the instructions, so I'll post that up here so you guys will see what's going on, just in case you lose yours. You could be like, yo, I got it. Because if you're like me, I'm going to lose these in like 2 weeks, even if I store it. Oh, that's it. Here are the plates, I guess, that you put over for your filter socks, but it looks like these just go in here like that. I mean, it's a pretty simple, you know, budget-friendly design, I guess you could call it. So, I mean, it feels pretty heavy, and it should for the price. Like I said, this was the most expensive one, you know, that there is, and it's the only one of its kind with this design. So, it wasn't like you have all these options. There's not enough market share to have a lot of companies being competitive in here, so I guess that's why. So, alright, so I have no idea what any of this stuff means or how it goes together. Or anything like that, obviously, yet, because you know, but we are going to get my 29 gallon, I mean 29, this is the 29 gallon kit, but we are going to get my 20 gallon and just see if it does or will fit. So, from the pictures, I guess this is the widest piece, because this is supposed to go on here. Oh, see, that fits fine. So, they don't have it on the Bulk Reef Supply website, but you can use this on a 20 gallon. It works fine. They have it listed as 29, but this is going to work fine. You know, I just got it. I mean, it's going to be a pretty decent sized seal. You're probably going to have like 1/8 of an inch on each side worth of silicone. So anyway, this is kind of how wide it is. This is how it looks. I'm just showing you guys right now.